Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I'm proud to share with you yet another Cybertruck that we just finished customizing at our service center in Van Nuys, California. Check out this wrap, extremely special, very unique. It's made by 3M and it's called brushed metallic black. And as you get up close and you take a look at this beautiful, unique wrap color, you'll notice that it has a brushed stainless steel appearance. However, it's not textured. It just looks like it is, and it gives you that stainless steel appearance, which is perfect for a Cybertruck. This customer actually wanted to have a black brushed look, so this wrap gave him exactly what he's looking for. 3M also makes this in other colorways as well. So back to the wrap, as you can see, everything has been taken care of. All the panels have been wrapped. Complete color change. This is vinyl film, and that's okay. Doesn't always have to be PPF when you wrap a Cybertruck. I always say, go with the color that you love, and this is exactly what the customer wanted. He also did a couple more things. Number one, he wanted to stick with the Pirelli 20-inch tires that came with the Cybertruck. However, he did not like the wheels that were on them, so we went ahead and replaced those with our very popular flow-forged TCT wheels. These are super cool. We've talked about them in the past. They actually come with optional aero covers, but this customer wanted to have that open, sportier look because we also painted his calipers, front and rear, in orange, and reapplied the Cybertruck letters in the Cybertruck font, as you can see right here on the front calipers. This truck is all done. It's ready to go home to the customer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear some comments below. And if you appreciate our content, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.